By the end of this video, you will be able to create a spreadsheet file using Microsoft Excel, apply relative and absolute cell reference in calculations, format numeric values into decimal places, create a well-labeled bar chart, apply max function to identify the largest number in a worksheet, align labels to 45 degrees, center vertically all records, and print a worksheet and also a graph. Welcome once again. If you have not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button and enable the notification bell, otherwise thumbs up. Bank of Kenya CBK exchange rates on a certain day for foreign currencies against Kenya shillings were as follows. Then Kariuki Amisi Mumpua Otieno Akesa traded buying and selling of foreign currencies. On that day, they bought the foreign currencies from CBK and then later sold the foreign currencies at the following rates. So what I'm going to do here is to create the three tables. So the name of the workbook should be forex. This is Microsoft Excel. Its name should be forex file. Save as. Location should go to practical folder. Yes, forex. Then we save. Since I'm done with creating the data for the three tables, now it is time to format the tables. Like this one, I can call it exchange rates. Then the headings, currency and exchange rate, should be bold and italicized. This should be a bit enlarged to that point. The same applies to the one for the dollars. For the buying, you can set it to heading 1. Again, for these ones here, bold, italicized. But if we check sterling pounds and Swedish kronas, wrap text has been applied there. So sterling pound and Swedish kronas, wrap text. Wrap text. They are also center aligned at the top. Same applies to the selling, heading 1. Then the name up to Swedish should be bold, italicized, and then wrap sterling pound, wrap Swedish krona, and increase, center align the text. So if we check the South African rand here, mine is 10.31, yet here we have 10.3100. So if I type the 00 here, what will happen? Then go next. The zeros will not be counted to be significant here. Therefore, to make sure that they are counted to be significant, you increase the decimal numbers, the decimal places. Increase 1, 2. So the same will apply for the others here. Example, in this table, we have 69.0, 70.0. So 69.0 and 7.0 increase this. Since these are labels, we can choose to merge and center them. And selling again. Merge and center. You can also add borders. Borders here, this is where you can get borders. We need all borders. Again, here we need borders. Again, for selling prices, also borders. Now, using a formula with absolute and relative cell reference, determine the total profit made by each trader. If you have a trader like Kariuki bought $400, each at 70.5, each at 67.022 and solid at 7.5. Therefore, the profit made by Karuki will be 70.5 minus 67.022 times the 400 plus the profit made in sterling pounds times 200 euros times 340 South African rands times 1200 Swedish krona times 290. Let us apply it profit. So it's equals to the number of dollars times into bracket the profit made, that is 7.5 minus 67 point, that one, plus number of sterling pounds times 109.0 minus 137 point, minus before, plus 340 times the profit made by selling euros plus 1200 times the profit made by selling South African rands, profit made by selling South African rands plus 290 times profit made by selling Swedish kronas. And in our case, we'll get, here is some calculation error. So it is be what? 10 minus that one. We'll get 1875.436. So if you copy the formula downward, you'll be able to get an answer here. But here we have hash value. Reason, let us consider. We have our formula here referring to cell B8. Cell B8. Yet there is nothing in cell B8. We have cell B9. There is nothing in cell B9, and even cell B10, and we have nothing in cell B10. So that translates that when we were copying this formula downward, these values also changed. Now, to make sure that they remain constant when copying the formula, we must change this range into absolute format. Therefore, I change this formula to absolute. This one will be $B, $B, $3, $B, $4, $B, $5, $B, $6, $B, $7, and then try to redo it again, and you will get the correct answers. So that is how you are supposed to do this question. A well-labeled bar graph on a different worksheet showing the cost incurred on buying US dollars by each trader. So we must find the cost incurred by buying US dollars by each trader here. So insert a new label here. You can call it cost incurred buying US dollars. Buying US dollars, and this cost is equals to the number of dollars multiplied by cell. Then copy downward here. Okay, we are getting the right answers, but these answers are not right simply because check 500 times B4. What is in B4? Sterling pound. 200 times B5. What is in B5? Euro. So to avoid this problem again, make this formula absolute, and try to redo it again. That's how you do it. Now we're going to insert a bar chart showing the names of the traders, and the cost incurred. So select the two columns, holding Control, select the other one, and then insert a chart, a bar chart. Apply any formatting feature here. Okay, you can insert like that. Well labeled chart, go here to insert as its title. It should be in a separate worksheet. Move chart to a new sheet and call it graph. Use a function to determine the trader who got the highest profit. The trader who got the highest profit. Highest profit should be equal to max within a range of age 19 to age 23. And we'll get 46, 59, and with this person the different color. Format the first table as follows. Set the direction of labels to 45 degrees and center vertically all records. The first table. Here is our first table. Our first table, it should be, so the label should be 45 degrees. Go to alignment here. Can't see 45 degrees, so I'll click more and increase up to 45 degrees. Then vertical arrangement should be centered. Then okay. Then finally print the worksheet and the graph. So to print, Control P. The worksheet extends to another worksheet. Therefore, what to do? Go to scaling and fit all columns on one page. Then print using a preferable printer here. Mine is called Microsoft PDF. Then Control P.
This marks the end of our tutorial. Let me know through your comment whether you have learned something new. Likewise, share your thoughts, questions, and suggestions. Goodbye.